Welcome to the e-file site. Once you've created your account, but before creating tax forms, you must set up payers and recipients. You have two options for creating your payers and recipients: manual entry and import data. On the dashboard, you will find the Import My Forms and Connect to Software boxes for the various import options available. In this video, we will demonstrate the process of manually creating payers and recipients. To start, click Add New in the Payers tab in the left navigation. This will open a new screen to enter all your payer information. Once you have finished entering all your payer information, including the required fields, click Save to return to the Manage Payers screen. After you've created a payer, you will see them listed in the grid, and you are now ready to set up recipients. Click on the payer's name and then click Add Recipient. And just like the payer setup, a new screen will open to enter your recipient information. Once you've entered all your recipient information, click Save to return to the Manage Payers and Recipients screen. On returning to the Manage Payers and Recipients screen, you will see both the payers and recipients listed in the grid. You can continue to set up payers and recipients by repeating the previous steps. Or, if you decide it would be easier to upload your data, click the View Import options in the Import My Forms box in the dashboard. You will then access the Upload Center to complete the upload process. Lastly, now that you've created both payers and recipients, you are ready to file forms. Just click the Dashboard tab and then select the form from the drop-down in the Create a Form box.